Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, it's just a quick recipe today. This one good for belly fat and also good for drinking in the morning for water to detox your body and also cleanse you out. Got lemon, mint, and also red currant. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got a lot more ideas and tips for you. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today we're gonna show you how you can do some red currant right here. This is how they look. Look at this. These look so simple, but they have a lot of effect in them. What we're going to do is get a big glass like this one, and simple. Put some water in it. This is good for weight loss. This recipe you can do it in the morning before breakfast or in the evening before bedtime. So basically, in the water, a few pieces in the water, and then after you do all of those, after you put that in the water, what you need to do next is put some fresh mint in the water. Mint is really good, guys. If you doesn't know anything about mint, you need to search that on the internet. Alright, so the next is do a few pieces of lemon. And then ice. It's a must. Lovely and nice. As you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. It's just amazing. I love red currant. I really love it. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. So the best way how to drink this is before bedtime. Leave it in the water for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes and make it dissolve in the water, the lemon and the mint and the red currant. Hopefully this will be a benefit to you guys. Enjoy it and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming out for you. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.